Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be proving the Componendo Dividendo. Wow, okay. What is Componendo Dividendo? Because I have to admit it has a very fun name in my opinion. So let me write it down. Componendo Dividendo. Okay, so this is the name of the below equation. I don't know, yeah, below equation. So the Componendo Dividendo tells us that if A over B is equal to C over D, then A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D. Okay? So how can we prove this? First of all, let's try to start with the left-hand side, start with this side, and then arrive at the right-hand side. If we can do that, then we would have proved the equation. So I start by rewriting the left side, A plus B over A minus B. Now, we look at this and we say, okay, let's just express A or B in terms of the other letters, the other numbers. So using this, the boxed in equation, we can write that A is equal to BC over D, right? This is a way of expressing A. We just multiply both sides by B and we got that A is equal to B times C over D. So now we substitute this into our equation to get that BC over D plus B. And yep, this is a minus. All right. So what we can do now is first of all, we can write the numerator and denominator as one term. For that, we just multiply this B and this B by D and divide by D. Right, this is simple algebra, so that we get this quantity for the numerator and this quantity for the denominator. From this, we can see that D's cancel. We simplify by D. And let's write what we have. We have BC plus BD over BC minus BD. And we see that we have a common factor. What do we have? We have B. So let's factor it. We have B, the quantity, times C plus D. And B, we factored D and times the quantity C minus D. And from here, of course, B's cancel. And we are left with C plus D over C minus D. And yeah, this is actually it. We proved Componendo Dividendo to be true. And it is actually a very short proof. And this is a simple, I don't know, could we call it a theorem? I don't know. This is a simple identity, but it really comes very helpful in some cases. This helps a lot. Even in trigonometry, whenever you are dealing with scary and hard, long questions, long equations, this might be very useful to do. And in any case, you now know a thing which you perhaps didn't know before watching this video. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do not hesitate to ask them in the comment section below. And I hope to see you in another video. Until then, take care.